Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen. If you are looking for a super delicious, refreshing, and healthy smoothie, you came to the right place. Because today we are making a blueberry pineapple smoothie. And we're going to be swirling them together. So, let's get started. We are going to start with making our blueberry smoothie first. So today I have 1 cup of frozen banana that I'm going to be putting in my blender, along with 1 cup of frozen blueberries and a half a cup of almond milk, or any milk of your choice works, but I love almond milk. So now all we have to do is blend this together. And I do want to mention I probably added another tablespoon or 2 of almond milk to my smoothie because my blender was having a tough time blending all the frozen fruit together. Now we can move on to making our pineapple smoothie. I have 1 cup of frozen pineapple that I'm going to be adding in to my other blender, along with another cup of frozen bananas. And I also have 1 tablespoon of coconut flakes that I'll be adding in. Next, I'm going to be adding in half a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. You can use vegan yogurt if you want, or a different flavor, but I really love vanilla yogurt, so I'm going to be adding half a cup in. And the last thing I'm going to be adding in is some almond milk. So I have about 3 tablespoons of almond milk that I'm going to be adding in. I might need to add in a little bit more, but I'm first going to blend it and see how it all comes together. Now I'm just going to go back and forth layering in my smoothie, starting with my pineapple smoothie. And this smoothie is for about 2 people because I do have quite a lot more. So, or just 1 really big smoothie, depends on how much you really want. So now I'm just using a straw, or you can use a knife, and I'm going to gently swirl it all together. Now that it's super pretty, I'm going to just garnish it a little bit on top. This is totally optional, but I'm going to add a few pieces of chopped pineapple, a few pieces of blueberry, because this is like a smoothie bowl and a smoothie, and I am obsessed with smoothie bowls. And the last thing I'm going to be adding on top is just some coconut flakes. Now the best part, getting to taste it. I have tasted it a little bit, but I haven't tasted it swirled together, so I'm excited. It's so delicious, so fruity, and so refreshing. This is so great for a hot day, or if you want a dessert or a smoothie bowl. If you like smoothies as much as I do, there should be a playlist right here or over here of all of my healthy smoothies, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!